mistakenly named the Goldrush the crucifix. And I figured, you know what, maybe I can just shoot that tutorial real quick, because Goldrush is a really cool move that people do that it looks like more, it's one of those moves that kind of, to me, looks like more than it is when you get it in the coolest position that you can. Okay, so Goldrush is, like I said, it's a crucifix variation, so here's crucifix. And then Goldrush is where you have one foot hooked and the other is kind of straight out in front of you where you can see it. Now, your legs are still around the pole, clamped onto the pole, as opposed to next to the pole. So the pole is still in between your legs, as opposed to around the pole and hooked. Okay, there is a leg hook, but if you unhook, you're still on the pole. Okay, so here's Goldrush, and then release it. You can bring it down like so, kind of in a plank position, and slide all the way down. Yes, it does require a little tough skin here. If you've been doing your Superman and your other figure 4, you should have that tough skin right there and be able to do that. If you're just learning, this will help toughen your skin up. Okay, so that is Goldrush, and you can get to Goldrush from the shoulder mount, which you'll see like at the very end of my shoulder mount video. Let me show you that again, because I mislabeled